Life can be crazy busy, and we get that. And sometimes our pet's pantry gets overlooked. Everyone hates that moment when we realize we're low, or worse, out of pet food. And no one more than our pups. Well, we've made life just a bit easier and just for you. Introducing our free My Pet Food app, exclusively from Nature's Select, the fast, easy, anywhere app to reorder your Nature's Select pet food. At work or sitting in carpool? No worries. With just a couple of clicks and a few seconds, reorder your pet food. And here's a bonus. Grab exclusive mobile app savings and specials. Get started now. Download the app onto your mobile device. Fast, easy, anywhere. The Nature Select mobile app. We think life just got a little less crazy.